The N. Biren Singh-led government in the state has sought help from Delhi in the wake of this week's drone attacks. Well, following the recent drone attacks along the Kangchup Hill stretches, including Kadangband, Kotruk and Senjam Chirang areas by armed groups from the hills, Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh, accompanied by Imphal West SP and Commandant of the 2nd Manipur Rifles, visited the affected sites today to assess the situation. Addressing the media in Kadangband, the DGP informed that the state government has sought assistance from Delhi and Chief Minister Biren Singh is taking the situation seriously and has been talking to several people on different fronts. DGP Rajiv Singh added that a high-level committee has been constituted to counter the drone threats and the state has requested the expertise of Delhi-based agencies, including the NSG, to address the emerging security challenge posed by these drone attacks. Well, he described the drone attacks as a new phenomenon that requires urgent attention and assured that the perpetrators will not be spared.
This is a new thing which has happened and we have already Manipur police ने पहले ही ट्वीट किया हुआ है. So it has been escalated and we are taking it very seriously. We have spoken to everybody from here to Delhi और वहाँ दिल्ली में भी NSG से भी हम लोगों ने बात किया है, DG NSG से बात किया है, उनकी टीम से बात किया है, प्लस और भी एक्सपर्ट्स आ रहे हैं. हम लोगों ने कमिटी भी एक बनाई है कि ये ड्रोन के बारे में पूरा ये पढ़ने के लिए एंड समथिंग टू डू काउंटर करने के लिए उसको कैसे हम लोग आगे ये करें. आसाम राइफल एक कमेटी तो बना दी गई बट उसके बाद भी कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स को भी हम लोग बुला रहे हैं और जल्दी से जल्दी हम लोग कुछ इसका उपाय ढूंढेंगे. वहां पर हमारे पास कुछ है काउंटर के लिए, दैट ऑल्सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू डिप्लॉय. और प्लस जो हिल के एरियाज हैं जो जहां पर अटैक हुए हैं 3-4 जगह पे, उन सभी पे हम लोग के ऑपरेशंस चल रहे हैं. कल भी हुए थे, आज भी हुए हैं, आज रिकवरीज भी हुई हैं, कल भी कुछ रिकवरीज हुई थी. तो कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशन चलता रहेगा. तो वो बिल्कुल ही श्योर रहेंगे. सो एवरीवेयर कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशंस विल कैरी ऑन. वी हैव टॉक टू एक्सपर्ट्स. वी हैव जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं इन चीजों में उनसे कल मैंने खुद भी बात किया है और सीएम साहब ने भी कई जगह पर हाई लेवल पे बात की है. द सेंटर इज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल सपोर्ट टू अस और इस चीज में they are also worried and we are trying to gauge कि किस तरह से इसको टैकल किया जा सके and we all are working towards it.
Reacting to the frustration expressed by the villagers and the mute spectators' allegations against the Central Forces, DGP Rajiv Singh highlighted that apart from Assam Rifles, 198 companies of Central Forces are already deployed in the strike-torn state. He emphasized that more forces are needed as only state forces cannot handle the ongoing crisis. He also warned that actions will be taken against any forces failing to perform their duties effectively.
For me, every force is the same, and as I said, right now the requirement of force is so much that only the state force will not be able to do, because state force is employed in other normal law and order duties, traffic duties, this, that. So obviously we need central forces, and that is why about 198 companies of central forces are here, apart from the Assam Rifle and so everybody will combine together and work and try to. Yes, there may be some complaints of some inaction or some passiveness. That we will look into it. इन्होंने भी बताया है, हम लोग जरूर देगा. अभी आपके सामने वो जो कमांडर थे उनको बताया गया है and we will take it up with the senior officer. वो ऐसा होगा नहीं, अगर कोई एक्टिव नहीं रहेगा और इस तरह की खबर मिलेगी तो विल डेफिनेटली टेक एक्शन, चाहे वो स्टेट पुलिस का हो या सेंट्रल फोर्स का हो. अगर वो अपना काम नहीं कर रहा ठीक से तो ऑब्वियस है कि भाई इट इज अ डिसिप्लिन फोर्स, प्रोफेशनल फोर्स है, तो उसमें तो हम लोग को ये सब करना ही पड़ता है.
All right, Lucky Boy Singh joins us live at this point in time. So Lucky, you know, the N. Biren Singh government is taking the drone attack issue very seriously. He said that committee, we heard the DGP right now, so DGP said that a committee has been formed and combing operations are underway at this point in time. So give us more details regarding the combing operation which is underway at this point in time and who is there in the committee, Lucky?
Yes, yes, Priya. As DGP have also asserted while his visit at Kotruk and Kadangband, yes, combing operation have been conducted at various sites, including the hills and valley, and yes, even drones and various high-tech and sophisticated weapons have been recovered by the security forces during the combing operation at the Kangpokpi Hills. And yes, even yesterday a high-tech drone was also recovered by the security forces during the combing operation. And yes, today itself the combing operation is still continued at the affected area, the attacked area by the miscreants from the Kangpokpi Hills, Priya.
Right, and Lucky, he also informed, the DGP also informed that they spoke, even the Chief Minister, he spoke to many people from Delhi to know more about the drone attacks and, you know, regarding the how to counter attacks about on drones. So what more details do you have on that?
Yes, Priya, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh along with the DGP Manipur, they particularly personally have called with the NSG and DGMO as well as various other agencies who could deal in countering the drone attacks. And yes, a committee has been formed with Assam Rifles as well as other security forces. And yes, expert team will be visiting Manipur as soon as very soon, and will be taking up action to counter the drone attacks. And yes, DGP also asserted that there were equipments. Manipur police have equipments to tackle the situation, and Manipur police will start deploying the equipments at various sites to prevent the drone attacks by the miscreants. And after reaching the expert team from the NSG and other agencies, then they can counter the drone attacks at various sites in Manipur, Priya.
And another important point made by the DGP, Lucky, you know, he's very clearly said that there are more requirements of forces in the state. So are more forces to be deployed in the coming days?
Right now, Priya, we didn't have that much information, but yes, DGP said Manipur needs more security forces. And yes, for now 198 companies of central forces have been deployed in and around the state, but still more security forces is needed. State security forces cannot alone tackle the situation that is happening in Manipur. So Manipur needs more central security forces as to fight against those miscreants who have been disturbing and creating the crisis since the last many months, Priya.
Right, Lucky Boy saying thank you so much for all those details. So viewers, a committee has been formed, and the DGP, both the DGP of Manipur and the Chief Minister, they spoke to expertise from Delhi. And also let me tell our viewers that there is a chance that a team might, as Lucky Boy informed just now, there's a chance that a team from Delhi might visit Manipur regarding this.